Hi, I'm Shri Peruvemba for SID. I'm here with Dave Dutton, CEO of Silvaco. We just finished the CEO forum just now. Thank you very much, Dave, for doing this.
You bet, Shri.
I wanted to expand and ask you a few questions. First of all, how has SID's Display Week been for you?
This week's been as the last few display weeks we've been at. It's been very wonderful. It's like you said, it's record attendance. We're feeling it up there.
Yeah.
We have great visits, not only new customers, but a lot. This is where we really get consolidated a level to sit with a lot of existing customers and work with them as well. Plus, just the technical track and the amount of material here is really great for our people. So, yeah.
For the benefit of folks who are not here at Display Week, we have well over 8,000 people who are here, but there are obviously a few million people that will probably watch this video. Tell us a little bit about your company, Silvaco.
Sure. So, yeah, thank you. So Silvaco is, a 35-year-old company, so we've been around since 1984. We do, at a very high level, we do simulation and design. We have software for simulation design of displays. We are very strong in displays. We're the leader in that area where customers will use us to really simulate what new materials, as well as what happens in the fab, to designing their display and then testing that display design will work. So we work very hard to be, listen to our customers in the industry. It's a very fast-moving industry, and I think the key to success is to be able to then create the tools and the products that the customers need, and that's a constant evolution.
And your company has doubled in size in the last 12 months. So congratulations, it's an awesome job. As a CEO, it must feel very good.
Yes.
So what specific industries that you had the greatest growth?
That's very. I think a couple of them. One is in display itself, and then we're just seeing, as you know, display is just exploding. And I think it's just at the very tip of where it's going to go, because display is really the interface between humans and the computation world, and that, as we talk about AI and stuff, is exploding. So I think it's key for that. The other area we've seen is kind of similar to display, because it combines about optics along with electronics, is in the way of sensors, which are another area that are really evolving, so we can have automated driving and IoT and all those areas. So those are two key ones. Power is another one that we're seeing as you electrify more and more of the world. So those three areas, along with still the continued drive for the most advanced semiconductor, more than Moore's, is another area that we have to work in. So it's really all four of those that are allowing us to grow the company and be very successful in those areas.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you for being a big supporter of SID, not just SID corporate, but also our Silicon Valley chapter. Silvaco has done so much. And I know that you've been hiring this year, and you've done extremely well in the first quarter in terms of hiring. Are you going to? You believe this trend will continue in terms of hiring within the company?
I think so. I think we have to make sure we digest. I mean, we hired so fast, we have to digest.
On board all of them.
Exactly. But I think we'll continue to hire. We'll continue to need, especially physicists, mathematicians, computational engineers, as well as very good software coders, and those combine to bring together the products we make for customers, so that they can really reduce their R&D costs, as well as accelerate their time to market. That's what our fundamental job is.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Well, thank you once again.
Great, thank you
for being on the forum and being a big supporter of SID.
Thank you very much, and congratulations on a very successful Display Week 2019. All right, excellent. Thank you.